I'm Rick Behl. I'm a professor of geological sciences. When I went to college, I knew I liked science, but I also liked history and literature. I liked traveling and I liked being outdoors. I really didn't know what I wanted to do when I went to college and what I wanted to do with the rest of my life. I certainly didn't know that I wanted to become a geologist. So in my first year at school, while I was taking all my required classes and my general education classes, I took an elective class that looked like it had an exciting topic. It was called marine archaeology. And I went, wow, I'm going to learn all about sunken ships and buried treasure and underwater cities and things like that. And the class was about that. But the instructor was sneaky. He knew that he had to teach us other things in order to understand those. So we had to learn about earthquakes and plate tectonics in order to understand why a city would sink and where that's more likely to happen. We had to learn about oceanography to understand about the currents and why ships would be one place and not another. We had to learn about beach processes and longshore drift in order to understand where treasure might be carried and how it got buried by sand. So, in a really underhanded, sneaky way, he taught me to become a scientist and how to love earth sciences. And I ended up doing my entire career, both in industry and in academia in the university in this field. And I've loved every single minute of it. That's how I became a professor and a geologist.